Alright, so now when we know what is search engine optimization, SEO, we can learn how to create our marketing campaigns, including landing page, context advertising, and salesy headlines. So let's get started. A bit of theory first. Let me tell you about what is landing page. A landing page is a standalone web page that is designed as a part of online marketing campaign to promote your product or service. A landing page is just one page where the potential customer lands just to buy your services. So that's important to know how to create these kind of pages to attract more customers. So the focus of a landing page is on its simplicity, clarity, and making a strong call to action to convert visitors into customers. So that's the purpose of a landing page, when the visitors become your customers. What actually can landing page include? Text, images, videos, any form to convey the intended message to your potential customer. Contextual advertising is also known as search engine marketing, SEM. It's a kind of ads that are placed on search engine result pages for the certain keywords. These keywords are relevant to advertisers' products and services. This type of ad can target users who are actively searching for specific products or information, making it highly effective way to reach potential customers. What is the difference between SEO and SEM? Well, SEO focuses on optimizing website through search traffic, while SEM is optimization both based on search traffic plus paid advertising, just to attract more traffic, right? The last thing is salesy headlines, because you have created your context ads, a landing page, whatever, and now you want to sell this. How? With the aid of so-called salesy headlines. So salesy headlines are catchy, attention-grabbing, so they are speaking loudly. These headlines often use emotional triggers, exaggerated promises, persuasive language to make the reader believe that they should take action immediately. So your visitor should turn into a customer right away. And when creating salesy headlines, it's important to balance simplification with urgency, to craft sentences that both grab attention and clearly communicate the benefits of whatever you are selling. Alright, so now we can go to practice. Let's go to ChatGPT and try convert everything what I said into practice. To make ChatGPT creating your content, it's important first to train it. We already know how to train ChatGPT. Yes, just feed some information into it, and there we will see the result. I'm a chemist. I have more than 10 years of teaching experience, and now I'm gonna create my chemistry school. That's actually what I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do. I have already created a prompt for it, so I will just copy and paste. Right, so this is my prompt. I'm a chemistry teacher, Yuri Anisimov, 10 years of teaching experience. Then I break down it 2 years, 4 years, and winners of Olympiads. So basically here I'm trying to highlight my expertise in chemistry, right? And then I'm asking ChatGPT to write a sales article about me and my school. And this is the article that ChatGPT created. Look. Okay, so title, Dr. Yuri Anisimov's private school. Well, later we can change the title. I mean the school name. Okay. So, who is Yuri Anisimov? Good. A legacy of excellence. Perfect. What set us apart? Very good. And then what I can offer, theoretical foundations of chemistry, problem solving, perfect, scientific writing, awesome. Okay, join us. So this is so-called call to action. If you want to create something salesy, you must have this call to action element. So that actually urges people to select your product and buy it immediately. Enroll today, yeah? So take action. Okay, future in chemistry awaits. What can we do further with that? Let's say I have already created this landing page, and this landing page contains this text. Maybe this is not the final version of text. I think it needs to be edited, but You can do that anytime. So the core is already generated by ChatGPT for you. Now you want to sell this product. You want to sell your landing page. You want the landing page to be visible for everyone. So then you need contextual advertising. We will ask ChatGPT to create selling headlines for context ads, let's say in Google Ads. You can select any search engine, whatever you like. Google is the most popular one. So usually search engines have certain limitations. For example, for Google Ads, the length of the headline should be no more than 30 characters, right? So before making or context ads, you should read the requirements. Okay, so I am asking ChatGPT to create 10 selling headlines for context ads on Google. Let's do it. Okay, so that's actually what customer will see as a context ads while searching for something on Google, right? Which one you like more? Master Chemistry with Dr. Yuri, I think it's too trivial. Cover Chemistry's magic. Unlock Chemistry's secrets. Join our journey. Chemistry Champions. Empower Chemistry Excellence awaits you. Transform with Chemistry Mastery. Honestly speaking, I don't like any of these headlines. They are too trivial. I want something really unique, you know. I will ask ChatGPT to create different headlines, but be more creative, not so trivial. You can also specify what you want. For example, I don't want chat to mention my name. So I will ask it to exclude my name, right? Okay, so I will say the following. Create 10 more headlines. Don't be trivial. Be creative. Don't use my name. Okay. Fuel your future. Dive into chemistry. That sounds much better. Craft your course. Okay. Chart your course. Okay. Blast off into chemistry brilliance. Awesome. Alchemy of minds. Chemistry revolution. Why not? Yeah, so you see, so now actually chat created much better headlines, and you can ask to improve and you will get better result. All right, so now we have actually landing page and we have salesy headlines for our contextual ad. What else do we want? I think we want the contextual ad itself. Let's ask ChatGPT to create it. So this is the requirements for context ads on Google. The first line up to 25 characters, second and third 35 characters each. The fourth line displays the target URL. Network error, no worries, regenerate. Yeah, I didn't say what is target URL, that's fine, but I don't like the way how it displays it. And basically it's much fewer than 35 characters, it's around 15 characters, I guess. No, it's too short. So all four lines are part of one ad. Use maximum number of characters for each line. Master Chemistry, Unravel Mysteries, Embrace Discovery. It's exactly the same. No, it's too short. Make it longer. Too short. Make it longer. Okay, so let's say there were 3 lines plus fourth one is a link, right? So this is the first one. To master Bark on a Journey 1, Master Chemistry Unraveling Mysteries 2, and Embracing Discovery 3. That looks better. So this is an example how you can create your sale product, and this is the way how you can create your marketing campaign. The last thing that we can do is to create a salesy headline for the landing page itself. I will ask, make a salesy headline for my landing page. 10 examples. Be creative. Don't be trivial. There you go. So you can select whatever you like. One thing that I forgot also is how actually am I gonna name my school. I will ask chat to create the name. Create the name for my school. Write 10 examples. Chem Vision Academy, Nexus Chemistry Institute, Quantum Chemistry, no. But for me, these names are too long. I don't like any of them. However, you can say, for example, make names shorter, more unique, and more creative. Chemiverse, by the way. Yeah, it's a good name and it sounds pretty well. Chemiverse. Why not? I will say thanks. Thanks. I will select Chemiverse. There you go. So you see, you can even say thank you to chat. Although it's just a neural network, it doesn't have any consciousness as we previously learned. But it's always good to be polite with it, just to make our mood better. So now we have a full package of material for our marketing campaign, and that's actually ready to be transformed into life, right? So you can try yourself, you can try creating your own marketing campaigns, and I'm sure you will succeed.